Good evening, good evening, good evening, Atlanta Traders Club. Oh, we just caught a pop in crude oil. I wanted to catch this on and share this with the group. We were down 60 points, but now we're where I was down 40 points. I had caught the what they call the crude oil report move. I got a quick profit. Actually, it was very, very, very quick because after this drop, if you can see this chart over here, this is a 5-minute chart, dropped rather quickly. I can change it to a 1-minute chart so you can kind of see how fast it dropped. You can look at the time. It was exactly 10:30, 10:30 on the head when it dropped right there. So I got out with that would be 5 contracts. You can do the math, $10 a point, and I was done for the day. But I just wanted to show and share how fast the futures market move. This is something that I wouldn't advise for anybody who's new to the market. Right now we're making a little W pattern, double bottom pattern. We're gonna get into all this doing the meetup on May the 20th. But I just wanted to share, I know this may be a little advanced for new traders, but still, it's information, to show you how fast these markets can move. And I'm thinking about going back in right here, but I'm probably not because I'm teaching. I'm done for the day. I hit my goal. My goal for the day is really like anywhere from 250 to 350. With the report move, it knocked me out with 800 real quick, so I'm done with that. But anyway, uh, I just wanted to show how fast the market can move. I really don't like to trade when the market is skipping. It has slowed down now, but sometimes, for example, it'll be at 47.49, 47.59, and they'll skip to 47.65. And if you hit a buy market or a sell market or whatever you want to get in, it might skip you in what they call slippage, slip you 3 or 4 pennies, and give you a worse feel than you want it. Right now, I'm looking at a 1-minute chart, trading the light sweet crude oil futures. I love the crude oil futures. I like the way they move. Sometimes I trade the E-mini S&Ps. I have set my option orders earlier today. The AMD, it was a beautiful trade. Let me see, can I pull that up right quick and slide this down so we can see it? I have to go to let me go over here. I'm gonna slide this down and cover up what we got in the background because we're done with that for today. And let's pull up AMD. Let me minimize this screen so we can get as much as we can. AMD. AMD was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. I don't know what the report was or what came out about it. This is a 5-minute chart showing. That's why I'm not showing that much data. So we're going to switch to a daily chart. Scroll down to daily. And as you can see, I've been marking up AMD for a while. There your head and shoulders, head, shoulder, shoulder. Bear flag is right over here. That was in the blue drawing. And we had the 1351. That's what this red line is, put. And you can see it gapped down and just kept going down. So right now you're in the money. What is that? $3 or some change, $3.30 it looked like, from 1350 to 1023. So you can do the math on that. That's one of the trades that we talked about probably about like last week. I got it and look at the April the 11th conversation that we had started up on the meetup, and that trade worked out real good. Another one I'm looking at is VLO. That's the gas station that we like to go to. I had a few positions in here a while ago. One of the girls with the trade with me. It's just a free thing. She got in some 66.50 puts. She got out. She already got out. Got her profit. I was looking at the 65 puts as well. I forgot to put the date on here, but you could double these red lines are. And right now, the 65 puts, they only up for 17 cents right now because we're trading at 64.43, which is in the money, which is money. They don't trade dollar for dollar because it's because of intrinsic value and deltas and gammas and all that type of stuff. But we'll talk about more about that stuff and stage analysis on May the 20th. Right now, we still kind of in the stage 3 basic stage, and we're looking to break out of here. Now, I'm trying to think of one more that I'm looking at while we were here, and I think it was NVIDIA. I think that's it. NVIDIA. What is NVIDIA symbol? Let me see. I've been going through so many symbols. I don't know. I don't know what. No, it's FCX. That's what it was. FCX. FCX was another one coming out of stage 3. Basing. It's like it's going to increase it to another stage 3. So another girl that I'll be trying to get pointers on. So I told you, you need to paper trade for a few weeks. She went and bought on this day. So that's what this B here is for. Is on 421. She bought right here. Yeah, it was looking good for a minute, but it came and formed this double top. I can't think of the exact. I think the exact price she bought was, let's see, 12.35, I think. And right now we're trading at 11.99, so she down 36 cents. And she was buying shares. She was actually buying the stock, so I think she had like 1,000 shares or something like that. But anyway, I was telling her more to look at the puts, But she had bought in a downtrend because she was thinking it was a sell-off. Buy it cheap, fake out, what they call a fake out, and it just sold back off again. So if it break below this low right here, which is look up here in the left hand corner, right left hand corner when I scroll over it, this low on this day and that low look up is 11.91, and the low for today so far is 11.91. So that's what it's pressing up against right now. Probably a customer beeping me in, but anyway, let's go back to the futures setup, see what's going on. Fake out. We had another little fake out on the futures, same thing. Popped up, came up 50% of this belt hold. We're gonna get into all these belt hold patterns and stuff like this, and it sold back off again. So anyway, I just wanted to share a little quick little video. atlantatradersclub.com. I'm excited about it. Ready to share the information, and I'll see you then. All right.